Hello, what's up? Ali here, and what we are going to do on this video is we are going to install Modern Warfare 2, 3, and Black Ops 6. So why are we doing this? So it is fairly easy to install an FPKG, but there are some that requires more to work. So if you are trying to install this and is having some issues, then you may be missing some FPKGs or some parts. By the way, to those who are asking where are our PS5 videos, unfortunately, I'm still trying to score a PS5. So as soon as I get one or someone sponsors one, we are going to start our PS5 videos. And now for this game, you may actually install FPKGs on any order, but just to make sure you can avoid any possible issues, I strongly recommend to install them on the right order. And to make it easier, you can actually rename the FPKGs and make sure they are arranged properly. Make sure the base game, campaign, multiplayer, and all of the DLCs are included, and also make sure that they are following this order to make sure that we can avoid any possible issues. So when you get to the PS4, you can just simply install all and just wait. So let us go ahead to our PS4 and install our three games in one FPKG. All right, so on the PS4, since I already have prepared my FPKG, there are multiple ways to install FPKGs. You no longer have to place them on the root of your hard drive, but I still do them the old school way and it is still more reliable. So I still recommend to place them on the root of your hard drive and just install all. So to make sure that you have all of the FPKGs needed, you should have all 22 parts. So if you miss any of these FPKGs, the game will definitely not work. So since I have already prepared everything, let us just go ahead and install all. So here, you can only choose Black Ops 6, Modern Warfare 3, and Modern Warfare 2. There are separate FPKGs for Vanguard and Cold War, and Modern Warfare, but for this method, you can play these three games. So let's first go ahead and try Black Ops 6.
Mr. Gorbachev, open this gate.
An entire class of U.S.-Soviet nuclear missiles is eliminated. Means that the era of nuclear disarmament has begun. We will stay the course, and we will succeed. And there can be no doubt.
Are you denying that?
We have discussed it
What
already.
more do you want?
He'll be in the middle of the.
Okay, so this will be it for now. If you have any questions, please go ahead and share them on our comment section, and I will definitely address them. And again, my name is Ali. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I will definitely see you on our next video. Bye-bye.